If you're planning to buy Hostinger today, wait before you check out because you might be able to reduce your hosting cost even further. Hostinger is currently offering up to 85% off on selected hosting plans, and when you use the special link in the description, you can also unlock an extra 20% discount automatically applied at checkout when eligible. So before you pay, make sure you're using the special link. You don't need to search for a coupon code. You don't need to copy and paste anything. And you don't need to try different promo codes. Simply click the first link in the description or scan the QR code on your screen. Choose your preferred hosting plan and continue to checkout. The additional discount is connected to the link and is automatically applied when eligible. Now, there's one important thing to understand. When you first open the Hostinger pricing page, you'll see the standard promotional prices. You may not see the extra 20% discount there. That's completely normal. Continue to check out and check the final order total. That's where the additional discount is applied when eligible. And if Hostinger is showing prices in another currency, click the flag icon at the top of the page and select your country. The pricing will then update to your local currency. Now let's talk about choosing the right hosting plan. If you're creating a personal website, starting a blog, building a portfolio, or launching a small business website, the premium plan is a great option to consider. For most beginners, it offers a strong balance between price and features. Depending on the current offer, you can get a free domain on eligible plans, SSL, professional email, one-click WordPress installation, Hostinger website builder, and AI-powered website tools. That means you can get many of the essentials for your website without purchasing several separate services. If you're building an online store, managing multiple websites, or expecting your website to grow, the business plan may be a better fit. It provides additional resources and can include daily backups and a free CDN. Daily backups can be extremely useful because your website is regularly saved. If something goes wrong after an update or you accidentally delete important content, a recent backup can make recovery much easier. The CDN can also help improve website delivery for visitors in different locations. Now, if you're running a larger website or expecting significantly higher traffic, consider the Cloud Startup Plan. It's designed for websites that need more performance and resources and can include features such as priority support and a dedicated IP address. So the best plan depends on what you're building. Premium is ideal for many regular websites, blogs, portfolios, and small businesses. Business makes more sense for e-commerce, multiple websites, and growing projects. Cloud Startup is designed for more demanding websites that need additional performance. Another reason Hostinger is popular with beginners is its custom H-panel. You can manage your domains, websites, email accounts, WordPress installation, backups, security settings, and other hosting features from one dashboard. You don't need to be an experienced developer to manage the basics. Hostinger also provides AI-powered tools that can make creating your website much faster. The AI website builder can help generate a starting website based on your project information. You can then customize the pages, text, images, and design to make everything match your brand. Now let's talk about getting the best long-term value. If you're planning to keep your website online for several years, compare the different billing periods available. When a 48-month plan is available, it may provide a lower effective monthly cost than shorter plans. But always check the total upfront amount and the renewal price before completing your purchase.